Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 20th of August, 2024. We're going to talk about Polygon today, or MATIC, and try to say, yes, price currently is down. A lot of the cryptocurrencies are currently trending to the downside right now, but is it possible that we may see Polygon go higher? It's always a possibility. The only problem is when, right? So we're going to try to talk about that today on this video. Hit that like button to the video, subscribe here to this channel for more content, because you're not going to get a heads up as to where price is anticipated to go without being confused. This is one spot on this particular platform that you will get that. All right, so real quick, let's break down our last price prediction in Polygon or MATIC all the way back here in February 2024. You guys can see we were anticipating higher prices at that moment. So February 2nd all the way until the 20th of February, we got that 27% market move in Polygon. So it's a very good move there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Let's go ahead and clean up the chart a little bit too. Get rid of these sell zones here into the market in Polygon, because the market definitely broke through that. And let's get rid of this buy zone here, because the buyers didn't support price here. And I want to also show you that what we do here on this particular channel is not by coincidence, not by circumstance. Charts give us information. Right here on the 13th of April, take a look. The market held these two buy zones. It did it again on the 14th. It did it again on the 19th of April. It did it again on May 1st. And it even did it again on May 15th. So even though we don't know what's going to happen to the right of the chart, given what we have here, what would you suspect is going to happen? Right? What would you suspect? To me, I would suspect price to go up, because we have identified areas that buyers are not allowing price to go lower. So let's just scroll over a little bit to see if price in Polygon went up. Now, if it went up, these are areas that we can tell that there's sellers though. Okay, so you won't be necessarily all that bullish, because sellers are hitting the price on these bars here. And if it does break this sell zone, then I'll be looking for the market to try to come up to like 90 cents or so. So let's just take a look real quick. You guys can see even here, the market's having problems with breaking out above 75 cents. And then the market finally fell to hold the buy zone. So that would be your second indication. All right, cool. The market is weak. I'm not going to come in and buy Polygon, because the buyers who were supposed to show up, they did not show up here. So let me let this go. You can even see on our software, we got that buy signal, these sell signals hitting right at an area to where buyers should be. You should not be seeing sell signals at areas to where buyers should be. That's a dead giveaway right there. Okay. Just trying to show you guys how to read markets without being confused. So let's take it to today's time frame. Okay. You guys can see the market didn't hold this buy zone. Let's get rid of this line here. So can we talk? Let's clean up the chart. We're going to create sell zones into the market. Okay, so this is a very logical point to where we will suspect to see sellers. Why? Because back here in June timeframe, as the market was consolidating, it wasn't enough juice, enough buyers to break this market up. So the price in Polygon continued its move lower. Okay. That is exactly what it did. Now we came right back up to this 60-cent point for Polygon. And look what happened again. We came all the way back down again. So what does that tell us? That this is a very strong sell zone. So maybe Polygon doesn't want to go up. At least not right now. It doesn't want to go up. Okay, cool. We understand. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Does this look bullish to you? We got that weakness triggered on the market right now in Polygon, upfake. So it looks like we may try to come through and tag out right around here for buyers. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark that. Look at Polygon on the 4-day. Very good for us to get this indication of buy signal, right? But the market was only able to move to like 57 as a high of 58 cents. That was it, because the price came right back down. Here it is on the 5. again, the market is currently weak. Now, we may not be that weak because we still have this indication that buyers, off this buy signal that was triggered, they may be right here still. So buyers may be right here. Okay. So when we do this price prediction in Polygon MATIC, that is where our target is going to be. That's going to be our first target right there. Here's Polygon on the 210-minute chart. Sell, 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 sell. We're still getting sell signals into the market in Polygon. On the way up, we were getting buy, buy, buy. But now we're getting sell, sell, sells. So I think we need to anticipate some lower prices into the market in Polygon. The market definitely looks weak. So back on the daily time frame, let's go ahead and put this on the chart. And like I said, we might see the market do an initial bounce around 43 cents right here. That would give us 3.75% market move there. But I'm going to try to see if it's going to run down to 40 cents or 39 cents, which is like 11%. Because I'm looking at this from the longer term charts, the 4 and the 5-day time frame, to where we're definitely seeing weakness. And we're going to bring our resistance area all the way up there to like 57, 58 cents. So let me zoom out, because we haven't seen price in Polygon MATIC hit this particular area. Look at this. It might try to come to this low back in June of 2022, 2 years ago. That's a very strong area right there, because it even bounced and held support back in April 2022. So let's try to get that buy zone here. We need to create that buy zone. Okay, so you guys can see that. So this would be the other target down here, around 33 cents. That's a big area. Again, we don't want to see that happen, but if it does, hey, I've already told you, I gave you advance notice. Like, hey, check this out. Even though we're not anticipating a massive move to the downside in MATIC, it can definitely happen. Given the trend that this market has been on ever since the beginning of this year, has been a slow and methodical movement to the downside. So that's what we're going to look forward to right now into the market in MATIC. Again, follow me, because things change. The market is dynamic. So if you guys want to get updates as to what's really going on in the cryptocurrency space, follow me. But yeah, give me your thoughts though. Where do you think this market in Polygon or MATIC is trying to go? We got our targets. We'll see what happens. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.